What's up, Grandma here? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. You can join the family by hitting that subscribe button. It's right down there. Um, so it's Vlogmas day 5. It's really day 6, but we're gonna say it's day 5. Um, and I'm gonna do a little makeup look. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do. I want to do kind of like a holiday kind of thing look, so that's what I'm gonna be doing for this video. Yeah, I'm waiting for the eyebrow wax to get hot so I can wax my eyebrows. So that's just what I'm doing right now. But I just wanted to go ahead and open it up. Y'all can go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It's Vlogmas day 5. And we lit. So go ahead and like this video up. Comment down below some video ideas if you have any. And subscribe to my channel if not already. I will be right back when I get my eyebrows waxed and I have them on. And I'll be back to do my eyeshadows. Okay guys, so we had music playing, so I can't really let y'all hear like in real time and let y'all hear the background. So I'm gonna be playing the little tunes that I play like commonly, but here is my inspiration for this look. I saw this kind of look on Instagram, but I kind of made it my own. But for the most part, the red and green part, I saw something like this. So I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. I'm not really sure if y'all want me to talk through it. I can talk through this one eye because I'm just gonna show you one eye on camera. So I did my eyebrows or whatever. If you don't know how I do my eyebrows, I do have a video of me doing my eyebrows and like doing makeup when I was doing like the Flawless Friday and stuff. So y'all can go back and see those. I will put one up in the eye so you can go check it out. But I did my eyebrows, had my braids down, and I took the green out of the James Charles palette, the darker green, and I put it on there. I just packed it on. Right now I'm just packing it on, and then I'll worry about blending it out. Well, I was packing it on, then I was worried about blending it out later. But when I got that on, I took a red from one of the Juvia's Place palettes. It's like the orange one with the man and woman on the front. I took that dark red and I put that on just like I did the green, but I put it in the inner side of my eye. And then now I'm just cutting my crease. I'm doing like a full like oval cut crease, not like a full. It is a full cut crease, but it's not like the winged out one. It's just like a circle cut crease. I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna take one of my paint pots from the crayon case, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. It's like a shimmer, just to be behind the glitter when I put the glitter on. Well, yeah, just to be behind the glitter. And then I will do my eyeliner before I put the glitter on, just to get it on so I don't have to go over the glitter chunks, so it doesn't like roll up and mess up the liner, because it'll like be all chunky and I'm trying to go over that. So I do the liner before I do the glitter, and then after I do the liner I do the glitter and I just pack it on, and then I'll put my lashes on when I get the other eye done. So that's just me doing this eye. So I told y'all ahead of time, so just you can watch now. And then I'll be back when I get my other eye done, and y'all will see me put my lashes on and stuff. Okay, so once I got both my eyes done, I'm about to put my lashes on now. I'm just applying my glue, and these are the lashes that I got from Jasmine Jackson. If y'all haven't saw, I did a review on her shampoo. I explained me getting the lashes at the beginning of that video, but yeah, these are those lashes. I've worn them. This will be my second time wearing them, so they're holding up pretty good. Okay, so yet again, I can't let y'all hear because there was music playing in the background, but this is the eyes all finished. Getting my eyelash together, fixing it up a little, and now I'm about to start on my face. Okay, so when I got my eyes all complete, and my lashes all on, I went in and tried to wipe away majority of the glitter, which I did, because some had fell down on my cheeks. So, now I'm just applying some primer. It's some, I don't know, I've used it before. I forgot what the name is. It's like in a blue tube. It says baby something on it. But it's like a blur kind of cream. So I just applied that, and then I still do the same routine that I was doing back when I was doing Flawless Friday. So if you haven't watched any of my makeup videos, you should go watch them to see like my routine, because I wasn't really showing on this. I'm just gonna try to tell you or whatever. Like, I still use the same thing. I use Too Faced foundation, Too Faced concealer, Laura Mercier powder, and then I set my face with Mario Badescu, the rose water, I believe, and like, yeah, I use Morphe brushes. Well, the Morphe brush, I don't really know what number it is. When I do another makeup video, y'all let me know if y'all want me to do it like a detailed makeup video, like me talking to y'all kind of makeup video to let y'all know what I'm using and stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much, I do the same thing that I used to do. So y'all just let me know, and y'all can just watch me do my face application. my hair looking like doing. I don't know. But I finished my makeup. I'm gonna take some pictures. And yeah, y'all saw me doing it. This green and red look. I actually saw this on Instagram, but ooh, look at it. Girl, period.
You look cute.
I don't know about this top knot though.
No, I like that on you. Cause the blonde and then the black. Take some pictures so you can send it to Nisa for her.
Okay. I said I will. If you bring your, you got your foundation. You gotta finish your stuff.
Yeah.
And you gonna do what's the name next? Ask Miss Ellen. It's cute, guys. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for this video. I just want to show you guys doing my makeup and a holiday look. So, girl, it's only 2 flights of steps. Talking about some unfat. Hey guys, so thank you for watching. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel if not already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Happy Vlogmas Day 5, and bye.